If you are a non-tech person or a beginner developer or a programmer who wants to try few lines of liquid code, you need to get started as soon as possible and you don't want to install the whole environment, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to get started with liquid programming in the fastest and easiest possible way. Shopify developed this beautiful documentation website from where you can learn about this templating language. And you can also write your first line of liquid code in the editor of this website. For example, if we press enter and type double curly braces and semicolon, hello world, you can see the output of our code. Hello world is printed. Congratulations, you have written your first line of liquid code. When your code is complex or you are writing a code that is a bit long or you need to access some data from your store, in that case, you can't write your code on the liquid documentation website. The easiest solution is to write the code in your Shopify store theme editor. You need a store in that case. If you don't have a Shopify store, then you can create a Shopify partners account from where you can create a development store. It's absolutely free. I have a video where I have shown how to set up a Shopify partners account and then create a development store. You can watch that video and come back and follow the rest of the video. I'm on the dashboard of my Shopify website. From here, I will go to online store. Click on online store. You may have a different theme and that is showing on the client side of your store. Let's add another theme and edit that. Here are free themes by Shopify, popular free themes. You can add any one of them. I will add refresh. Let's click on add. The theme is installing. It may take a little time. The theme is installed. Now let's click on the three dots button and click on edit code. Here in the theme directory, you can see we have folders called layout and another folder is templates, sections, snippets, config, assets, and locals. Let's open the sections folder. And from here, we will add a new file. You can give any name to your file. I will name it coding playground. And this is the extension that will be added to our file .liquid. Click on done. Our new file has been created. I have prepared a code snippet to save our time rather than writing the code here. You can find the code link in the video description. Now I will select all the code, Ctrl A to select and Ctrl V to paste the code. You can also use Command V to paste on Mac. In the schema part, I have declared a name of the section as coding playground, and in the presets, I have also given it a name, coding playground. We have also declared a div element and given it a class name of playground container and wrote some CSS just to make sure that our div takes a full width and a minimum height of 75 viewport height, VH. Let's add a h1 tag inside the div element. Let's save it. You can press Ctrl S to save it or click the save button. Our file is saved. Let's go back to our website dashboard, and from here we will start customize. Click on customize and let's add a section, coding playground. Let's add this section to our website. The section has been added. I return to my code editor to add a p tag. Let's add. I will access the shop object. Let's click on save. Let's return to our website. First, let's save it. The code changes is showing on our website. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.